Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atira binti Ma'arifin and I am the project leader for Malaysian Homeland Fighters Web Archive Repository. First thing first, let's start with introduction. For this project, we will do a web archiving repository on Malaysian Homeland Fighters. The content available in the web archive repository is about historians and warriors who have contributed for Malaysia. This repository will serve as a place to store all information about Malaysian historian and warrior. Information on these historical public figures will be obtained from web pages that are available on the World Wide Web. We will implement a web archive database repository for the Malaysian Homeland Fighters project. Next is problem statement. Lack of effort in collecting and preserving important web content which have historical and cultural values related to Malaysia, and lack of a comprehensive web archive repository poses a significant risk of losing valuable information and insight into the Homeland Fighters' activities. Makers come out with ideas Malaysian Homeland Fighters Web Archive Repository as a solution. Besides that, there are two objectives for this project. First, to design the Malaysian Homeland Fighter Web Archive Database Repository, and the second is to preserve legitimate web content related to Malaysian historian and warrior for future access and retrieval.
The project methodology are Web Database Repository has been chosen in this project because the data needed to support web archive content as well as store for the long term in a data repository. Second is a combination of web archive life cycle, which are outer circle, grey band and inner circle together with database life cycle, comprising database initial study, database design, analysis, implementations, maintenance and assessment, and operations and evaluations was used to make a set of good practice for developing and maintaining a web archive collection. The potential commercializations of this project is to bring a national heritage platform that can be commercialized for professionals and non-professional benefits. Novelty and uniqueness of these projects are: first, the collections of web archive content related to Malaysia Homeland Fighters created from www using hashtag and conifer tools. Secondly is the first repository platform in Malaysia that cover about historians and warriors.
The database design for Malaysian Homeland Fighters repository was conceptualized using empirical data. The database was created to record the description of the websites that needed to be archived. The entities were converted into tables are the website archive, archive content, biography, contribution and role. The web archive contains information about the archive process such as the name of or title of the target website. Next, database design is another popular rule that is an iterative process. The ERD table is the effective communication tools between development teams during the implementation stage. As shown, it displays the number of entities, attributes in each entity and relation that connect entities as an example of the conceptual model utilizing ER diagrams. Lastly, this is how the team collect and store the data in the PHP MIIX admin.